This is, do you care to say your name? Nathan, how old are you? 4. So we built a tornado tower. It is this. And it took a while to build. We didn't film the process, but next time we will. So this is the end result. And this comes with a toy. Let's see, show the toy. Wait. And then it comes with a little thing on the back so that you can, you know, attach it to this thing. So it won't work with any other cars, but it works with this one. So let's demonstrate how it works. Go, Nathan. Whoa! Wait. It goes pretty fast, as you can see.
Hey, no, that reflected that came out. I'll try
Oh,
again.
yes. So the flags are supposed to pop out if it goes fast enough. Go. Oh, the flags didn't pop out.
Oh, you pushed it.
Okay, go. Oh, they still haven't popped out. That means you're not going fast enough.
Wait.
And it comes with a little elevator thing where you raise the car up.